How gut health controls your mood, the microbiome secret. Have you ever felt anxious, moody, or mentally foggy for no apparent reason? What if the secret to a happier, more balanced mind isn't just in your head, but in your gut? That's right, your gut health has a powerful influence over your mood, energy, and even cognitive function. In this video, we'll uncover the microbiome secret behind emotional balance and show you simple ways to harness it for better mental and physical well-being. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Number 10. The gut-brain connection. Your gut and brain communicate through the gut-brain axis, a two-way link connecting nerves, hormones, and immune signals. When your gut flora is balanced, you experience mental clarity and emotional stability. But imbalance can lead to anxiety, brain fog, and depression. Gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, crucial for mood regulation. A poor diet, stress, and antibiotics disrupt this system, weakening your emotional resilience. Improving your diet, managing stress, and adding probiotics can restore balance. Remember, your brain isn't the only control center. Your gut strongly influences how you think and feel every day. Number 9. Microbiome diversity. A diverse gut microbiome is vital for mood, digestion, and brain function. Low bacterial diversity caused by processed foods, stress, and lack of sleep increases inflammation and emotional instability. Fiber-rich and fermented foods feed beneficial microbes, improving balance and resilience. Healthy gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that protect the gut lining and support mental clarity. In contrast, a poor diet starves these microbes, leaving you tired and moody. Ask yourself, is your gut thriving or struggling? The richness of your internal ecosystem directly shapes your emotional health and energy levels each day. Number 8. Serotonin production. About 90% of serotonin, the happiness neurotransmitter, is made in the gut. Beneficial bacteria help convert tryptophan from foods like nuts and seeds into serotonin. When your gut is unbalanced, production drops, causing anxiety, irritability, and poor sleep. Supporting gut health with probiotics, prebiotics, and fermented foods boosts natural serotonin levels. A balanced microbiome fuels focus, energy, and positivity, showing that mental wellness begins in the digestive system. Ask yourself, could your mood reflect your gut's condition? Number 7. Inflammation and mood. Gut inflammation affects far more than just digestion. It directly impacts brain chemistry and emotional well-being. Diets high in sugar, refined carbs, and processed fats trigger the release of cytokines, which interfere with neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Over time, chronic inflammation can contribute to anxiety, fatigue, irritability, and depression, making even daily tasks feel exhausting. Healing the gut through nutrient-dense whole foods, fiber-rich vegetables, fermented foods, and probiotics can lower inflammation and support a balanced mood. Lifestyle practices like prioritizing quality sleep, practicing mindfulness or meditation, managing stress, and engaging in regular physical activity further protect your brain and nervous system. By reducing inflammation, you restore emotional resilience, mental clarity, and overall calm, creating a foundation for long-term mental and physical health. Addressing gut inflammation isn't just about feeling better physically, it's about reclaiming balance, energy, and emotional stability from the inside out. Number 6. The role of short-chain fatty acids. Beneficial gut bacteria ferment dietary fiber to produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, including butyrate, acetate, and propionate. SCFAs protect the intestinal lining, reduce inflammation, and signal the brain to regulate mood, stress, and appetite. A low-fiber diet starves these bacteria, reducing SCFA production and making your gut more permeable, which can trigger inflammation and negatively affect brain function. SCFAs also regulate genes associated with stress response and neurotransmitter synthesis, meaning a fiber-deficient gut can directly lower serotonin and dopamine levels. Including a variety of fibrous vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and fruits feeds the microbiome, increases SCFA production, and improves emotional regulation. Think of fiber as a prebiotic fertilizer for your gut garden. Without it, the entire ecosystem falters and your mood may follow. Ask yourself, are you nourishing your microbiome with fiber-rich foods, or are you depriving it and risking emotional instability? Supporting SCFA production is a foundational step toward better mental health. Number 5. Stress and the gut. Stress doesn't just reside in your head, it disrupts your microbiome, creating a vicious cycle. Chronic stress decreases beneficial bacteria while allowing harmful species to proliferate, which can worsen anxiety, irritability, and cognitive function. This feedback loop reinforces negative emotional patterns, making it harder to cope with everyday challenges. Practices like meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or even a short morning walk protect gut health and improve resilience. Stress also alters gut motility, enzyme activity, and hormone balance, affecting digestion and nutrient absorption, which further impacts brain chemistry. Ask yourself, when stress hits, are you protecting your gut or allowing it to contribute to mood swings? A healthy microbiome strengthens the gut-brain axis, enabling you to respond to stress calmly, think clearly, and maintain energy throughout the day. By treating your gut as a partner in emotional health, you create a system that helps you thrive rather than just survive. Number 4. Antibiotics and mood. Antibiotics save lives, but they also disrupt gut microbial balance. These drugs kill beneficial bacteria along with harmful pathogens, potentially leading to dysbiosis, a state linked to depression, anxiety, and cognitive challenges. Even a short course of antibiotics can reduce microbial diversity, impair neurotransmitter synthesis, and compromise gut barrier integrity. To restore balance, it's essential to replenish beneficial bacteria through fermented foods, probiotics, prebiotic fibers, and nutrient-rich whole foods. Neglecting gut recovery after antibiotics can prolong mood disturbances and fatigue. Ask yourself, am I supporting my gut during and after antibiotic treatment or leaving it vulnerable to emotional and digestive consequences? Protecting and restoring gut health is not just about preventing digestive issues, it's a critical step in maintaining mental clarity, emotional stability, and long-term resilience. Small habits like including kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, or fiber-rich foods make a huge difference in rebuilding your microbiome and keeping your mood balanced. Number 3. Probiotics in mental health. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that can positively influence the gut-brain axis. Research shows that strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by producing neurotransmitters, modulating inflammation, and supporting the intestinal lining. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso introduces these bacteria into your system. Consistent consumption helps regulate stress hormones, improves sleep, and stabilizes mood. Beyond mental health, probiotics improve digestion, nutrient absorption, and immunity. It's not just about a healthier gut. It's about creating a more resilient, emotionally balanced you. Ask yourself, am I feeding my brain through my gut or ignoring the powerful connection between the two? Even a daily serving of fermented foods or a high-quality probiotic supplement can strengthen your microbiome, enhance serotonin production, and improve overall well-being over time. Number 2. Diet and gut-brain function. Your diet shapes your microbiome and directly influences emotional health. Diets high in sugar, refined carbs, processed foods, and artificial additives promote harmful bacterial growth, increase inflammation, and reduce neurotransmitter production. Conversely, fiber-rich, nutrient-dense foods nourish beneficial bacteria, reduce gut inflammation, and improve brain function. Polyphenols from berries, green tea, dark chocolate, and omega-3s from fish enhance gut diversity and neurotransmitter balance. Prebiotic foods like onions, garlic, and asparagus feed healthy bacteria, further improving mood and cognition. Think of your diet as a daily message to your gut. It either nurtures a healthy ecosystem that supports emotional resilience or creates imbalance that fuels anxiety and irritability. Ask yourself, am I eating to feed my gut and mind, or am I unknowingly feeding emotional instability? Strategic nutrition directly strengthens your microbiome, boosts mental clarity, and enhances overall life quality. Number 1. Lifestyle habits matter. Gut health isn't only about what you eat, it's about how you live. Regular sleep, consistent exercise, stress management, and avoiding toxins all support a thriving microbiome. Sleep deprivation disrupts bacterial balance and neurotransmitter synthesis, while physical activity increases microbial diversity, boosts SCFA production, and enhances serotonin signaling. Limiting alcohol, processed foods, and smoking further protects gut integrity. Mindful practices like meditation or journaling reduce stress-induced dysbiosis, creating a positive feedback loop between the gut and brain. When you adopt these holistic habits, your microbiome thrives, which improves digestion, energy, and emotional stability. Ask yourself, are your daily habits nourishing your gut, or are you unknowingly sabotaging it? A healthy gut is the foundation for a clear mind, balanced emotions, and sustained mental resilience. When lifestyle choices align with gut health, every area of life benefits, from productivity and focus to relationships and emotional well-being. Your gut is more than a digestive organ. It's a powerful regulator of your mood, energy, and mental health. By nourishing your microbiome through diet, lifestyle, and mindful habits, you can unlock emotional balance, reduce anxiety, and improve cognitive function. The microbiome secret is clear: a healthy gut equals a happier mind. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.